Assalamu alaikum viewers, this is Babul Kamali at 𝐻𝐚𝐤𝐿 in London. Today I'm going to make a dessert, poached pear, and I'm going to serve it with some ice cream, or you could have it without it if you want to. So to make the dessert you need pear, you need sugar, you need bay leaf, you need cinnamon and anise and saffron. This is the pear. I've got 2 pears here, and I put some the spices in there. Now I'm going to poach this. I'll poach it for like about 7 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes basically. But if you want it more softer, so you could poach it for longer. This is basically flake almond, pistachio, and cashew nut. Let's plate the pear, the poached pear, and I'm gonna serve it with some homemade ice cream. You could buy the ice cream from the supermarket, or you could make it. Basically, you need whipped cream. This is vanilla ice cream, by the way. Whipped cream, milk, sugar, vanilla, basically. You could mix everything together and put it in the freezer. It will freeze and become mint. And I'm going to have some chocolate sauce. There you go.